Welcome! In the next couple of minutes I will show you how to replace a circuit board in your DVTI video camera. Replacing a circuit board is very easy thanks to the modular design of the camera. It is useful if you want to replace or upgrade an image sensor or if you need to repair the camera. If you order a new image sensor or a circuit board, we include a set of simple tools that help you to open and reassemble the camera. To open the camera, start with the two smaller tools at the back side of the camera. Unscrew the nuts on the antenna and GPIO connector. Make sure not to lose the metallic ring on the antenna connector. Continue with the GPIO connector. And next, open the dust cover. Notice that there are 4 small holes in the threaded ring, and the tool to unscrew the ring has 4 pins. These 4 pins should go into the 4 holes. Unscrew the ring by turning the tool counterclockwise. It might need a little bit of force at the beginning, but then it should be quite easy. Hold your hand in front of the camera so that the electronic doesn't fall on the table. Push a little bit on the antenna connector. Hold and slide out the circuit boards. Make sure not to lose this rubber ring. And now you can see the camera electronics. It consists of 3 boards: the image sensor, the power board, and the main board. In this example, we want to replace the image sensor. Take the image sensor from the upgrade kit, put the old sensor back into the kit. Note that there is a brown protective cover on the new sensor. After assembling the camera, we want to remove this brown cover, otherwise you lose 1 or 2 magnitudes when observing. Next, we put the camera back together, connect the power and main boards. Make sure that the connectors match. Push the image sensor into the 2 connectors on the power board. Start with the power board connector and then the bigger connector on the main board. Push gently so that there is no gap between the connectors on both sides. Remove the protective cover. You can also do this later if you want. Try to avoid touching the image sensor so that you don't have to clean it. Slide the boards back into the housing. You can use the antenna connector for the alignment. Put the rubber ring back into the camera. Screw the threaded ring back in. Don't tighten it yet. Continue at the back side with the antenna connector. You can tighten the nut quite a bit. And the same goes for the GPIO connector. And once these 2 nuts are tightened, you can also tighten the threaded ring. Not too much, just until you feel some force, and then turn it back a little bit to remove the pressure. And this is it. If you have any questions, please contact us on the forum or write an email. Thank you for watching.